In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record donations in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up the right account and record each donation so your reports stay accurate and your books are easy to understand. First, we'll make sure you have a place in your chart of accounts to track donations properly. In QuickBooks Online, go to the Settings menu, which is the little gear icon in the top right corner. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This is the full list of all the accounts your books use. Look for an account that's already set up for charitable contributions or donations. If you don't see one, you'll want to create it. Click the New button. In the window that opens, set the account type to Expenses. Then, for the detail type, choose Charitable Contributions. This tells QuickBooks what kind of expense this is and keeps your reporting consistent. Give the account a clear, recognizable name. Many people simply call it Charitable Contributions or Donations Expense, so it's easy to find later. Once you're happy with the name, click Save and Close. Now you have a dedicated account that will capture all your donation activity. Next, let's record the actual donation using a sales receipt. At the top of QuickBooks, click the New button and choose Sales Receipt. A sales receipt is perfect for this because it records money you received right away on a specific date without creating an unpaid invoice. At the top of the form, select the customer, which in this case is your donor. If the donor isn't in your system yet, choose the option to add a new customer and enter their basic details. This helps you track donations by person or organization over time. Set the sales receipt date to the date you actually received the donation. In the product or service field, choose charitable contributions or the specific campaign or fund you've set up. This makes your income and reports more detailed and meaningful. Enter the donation amount and then choose how it was paid from the payment method dropdown, such as cash, credit card, or bank transfer. Finally, select the correct bank or credit card account in the Deposit to field so the money lands in the right place on your balance sheet. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Your donation is now properly recorded in QuickBooks Online and will show up in your reports exactly where it should.